Anyante ho kakra say afina aba na edie nti no ye ni NPP asem ne ni NDC asem ya wo Ghana asem nti no asem bia besra ni aka bi matena ha tie Eura Ishak for over 30 minutes. Now I can only sympathize with him because Eura Ishak is a fine brain, undoubtedly, but when I watch you be painting what here, sometimes I meet him on like 3 or 4 platforms a week. I know Senya no kwan oko. Na omo party ye jija say ye na as a brain nyina ekoye kwa no no ne ade amedi ya kakraba aduana ba no kura wom ne say MPP amanyuku no asi osay ye kwa so MPP as a political party is on a path towards self-destruction. Na baby MPP asay aduro no aduana ba obri komfo anoche kura ntime nye omo na baby edro no obri komfo anoche a ono yi nkonya eyi sikadwa kofide ma asanteman no ono kura ntime nje MPP.
I see.
Na ye wonkofo bi ho omo de MPP na dan ye dididaka say numu na omo didie e na omo numu nso na omo wa rehwemu say eba omo benya baby de omo ho atwene nti wo ka omo nyintum ba ye beto about 7 December ye won kwane ahoden ye be hear results beba even from the Ashanti region ho na omanfo be hu say asem a ye ka say MPP amanyukuo no agu wo hunhum na ka se be pia ni so no ho na amanfo be hu say no kradua ba edi enti na me ka sa hwe party ba akono say mu acha hodo be ye miensa even at the national level alanchre maten afrim ode ne de ye dey eko na afiwe ya aduana ba onim say parliamentary election in Ashanti region be yedwepa because almost all the constituencies no movement for change for na omo failed the parliamentary candidate.
Oh, really?
Very strong candidates.
Oh, really?
Ejoso enyane nti say Diomi.
Eko.
Say Diomi as an independent candidate, you underrate him at your own peril. Okwa Hafuano Southeast, so ma Hafuano Southeast, Dapa, so nim Dapa, former DC.
Yeah.
Or non so by independent. This is a constituency MPP winning with less than 2,000.
Yeah.
Hafuano Southeast, Dujama. Dapa was the longest serving chairman for DC and Oko Independent. Baby. Definitely it's going to affect the MPP. On the one hand, you work Canada, Japan, call for being so. They say, Omusi Begua.
Oh, sir.
Yes, on share social media now. Phobia from Ziton. Or my you money mo ya campaign about me. Yes, Marie Bois Dumone. Already a friend is Zito, ya ambassador, say, could join a tie in interview. No person mo chire nyina ne say mo be chen kate ama na ben a omunya be nwede ene ese say omo be boja ni mama na hye na ahwere omunyina say ye be chinchim omo nsa e de ade akoma obi omo fi say won sem fata de ene party no nya dey engu na Bible kra ka say a house divided among itself no shall not stand aduana ba meboa o ye evangelist Chirono ka say efie enu ankasa mu acheche tia ne ho no sa afie nu enni che enti MPP nu a yehu ne na yesa Misrimfo no anyame ka o masem o Bible mu no enne ne yehu omu ba chena de yehu omu bio party na gumeba
they had a worse national situation
the party was not fragmented along a year the lines are fragmented on the 2016 the boy MPP no the base was united for power. Ediana Basoti as here. Now form for no aye day. United for power. And a party ni mu acheche ye day e was ro. But ne cracks na e was ro no. Aba deep down. And no Ediana ba yamfa no nsata ba bia fe bra. MPP move from national to region. Nebra constituency. At the national level, Ediana ba say Dr. Baumia running mate kura wonya bi oda wona. Ni papa bi obekọ no so opeso obepa ni bia na o se masa baabi a wo ho ayɛ fi aduro no sɛ yɛde akaado ɛyɛ ankorɛ makora fa ho ne ekodware wɔ pomu a wo ho ntimi mfi ntimi nso manim nyam kakra a medidi ho no memɛsɛe ne wɔ ho.
Is that the case?
Yes, apostle onyina say wɔturo taa wɔ sɛ ɔno ntimi ne ba omia nkɔ mate sɛ Isaac ayi mpanyimfoɔ bi nso ɛwɔ baabi a ba omia approach wɔn nyinaa sɛ wɔn nkɔ